We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The price for this repair varies widely. Sony charges around $150 or more to do this repair, while other repair shops charge a lot less. My repair shop charges $89.99 parts, labor and return shipping, and there are others that are probably in that same price range.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.